A gerund phrase is a gerund plus any complements and modifiers. That is, it consists of a gerund and all of the words related to the gerund. Look at the examples. My uncle enjoys working as a cook. Here, the gerund working is followed by the words as a cook. So, working as a cook is termed as gerund phrase here. I was fined for entering there. In this sentence, entering there is the gerund phrase. Next examples. Very careful learning is required to master gerund phrase. Here, the gerund phrase is at the beginning of the sentence. Here, very careful learning is the gerund phrase. She hates eating salted biscuits at night. Here, eating salted biscuits at night is the gerund phrase.